Hello, all. Wishing everyone a very happy and prosperous life ahead. This is Soulful Solution. Today, we will be talking on the topic expectation. This word seems to be a word of simple thoughts, yet it has a lot of mixed emotions attached to it. Expectation is a feeling of strong belief that something will happen as desired. Expectation itself is in no way a negative thought, but all that matters is where and how you place it in your life. Let me keep it simple. Actually, you never keep your expectations on something that you already know will happen in the desired way. Hope you accept with me. And you only keep your expectations on a situation that you know has a chance of not happening in the desired way. When there is a chance of failure, it doesn't mean you shouldn't expect at all. But at this very point, you should have your mind prepared also to accept any situation if it not goes in the desired way. You should either be ready with an alternative solution, or if there isn't any solution possible, you should be ready to accept and face the unexpected situation. As a human being, we build so much of expectations in our life at several stages. We expect to get a desired job, we expect to reach a target, and also we expect to have a person together with us for life. In all these situations, if we had put in our fullest effort, then the outcome is going to be as expected. But still, there are chances when outcome may be unexpected. And that is when, as a human being, you should have control over your mind. You should either already have an alternate solution, else you should already have a prepared mind to face the unexpected. But in between this comes the barrier, that is the worrying part. When situations don't go as expected, we immediately start worrying about it. And this entirely stops our mind from thinking further. To be frank, worrying doesn't do any good to us. Instead, it makes our mind turn addictive towards self-sympathy. Yes, it is a harsh truth. But just imagine if you had that mind which, when failed to get an expected job, is ready with an alternative plan. Or imagine if a person you expected to stay with you for life leaves and your mind is ready to accept the fact and live with it. If a person decides to leave your life, you can stop them to only some extent. After that, all that remains with you is the mind to accept it. Yes, I know that's tough. That's tough than saying, but trust me, it's possible. Worrying about it is not gonna give you happiness, but accepting it is gonna give you peace sooner. Remember, it is you who gives time to worrying, but believe me, you are capable of giving your time to happy solutions and acceptance. Just close your eyes and think of this particular thought. If there's nothing I'm gonna gain by staying worried, and if there's nothing I'm gonna lose by staying happy and acceptable, which one do I choose? Thank you, good luck, and peace.